Clearwater County Groomer is maintained by an all-volunteer force. There is an issue with the groomers, so Rob suggested that I go along with him today. It wouldn't take very long, he said, about an hour. Oh yeah, if you know mechanics, you know how that went. Not only did it take longer than an hour, we had to make a trip back off the mountain and back up the mountain, and then we found an issue that couldn't be fixed today. So join us and see what the adventure brings.
Can you hold that down?
It was going there for a while.
Yeah, well, I don't have the wheel sitting on the...
Oh, sitting on that thing?
Yeah. Oh, I better bring it back out. Bigger bolts in because the holes are so worn. See how when it got loose, it chewed up the.
Oh wow! Yeah.
And then on the other ring, it broke this whole center right out of it.
Hear Rosebud Creek down there.
Be right back.
The unboxing, how about that? That's really pretty.
You got you.
Are you supposed to have it?
No, it's right there.
Okay, let's put it back in there.
New hub, you can see it's a tight fit. See on this and how it's all chewed up. That helps align it when it's tight like that. 7/16. 7590 silicone grease. Lucas synthetic gear oil. Put a little bit in there and get going.
What you got there?
Paint pencil. Mark the studs with paint, and on the bolt, way if they're coming loose, you can tell. Grease the shaft so it don't get rusty in there.
Is that supposed to be cracked like that?
Well, that's what I'm wondering, if it is cracked. Didn't know if it's a paint chipped off or if it's actually a crack.
Oh, that's true.
Well, I don't have the welder, so I just can't do nothing about it.
Take him forever to get all the gadgets unplugged so he can weld all the computer stuff.
Probably have to step down on the track.
Rod's gotta fix.
Where's another jack?
We had to go down to Finke's shop and get a different shop truck and a different welder. It took us about an hour, so now it's getting close to 5. Losing our daylight. What do you need?
I said it's dripping water right where I gotta sit.
Well, All done with that already?
Yeah, all of that. I was just digging around for
When Rob got ready to move the snow cap back to where it had been, I said I wanted all the lights flashing so I could get some neat film. Well, he got in the seat and turned on the motor and nothing happened.
That's kind of amazing. Rob's had a little trouble getting the saw back in there.
It's a computer message and he doesn't understand it and it won't go anywhere, so it's just gonna stay where it is until somebody else figures it out.